This is 11003. This is a grand suite. As we come in, Lisa's going to turn the lights on for us. A nice entryway. Stay right there, Lisa. Look at how wide this entry is.
This is awesome.
I know. If that door was wider, this would be great for an accessible cabin.
Right.
But if you've got a skinnier scooter, there's plenty of room for it in here. As you continue to come in, nice, huge mirror there.
Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
It's like a wall of mirrors. Right next to that, you have your TV and desk area. These are actually drawers. It's hard to see, but they're actual drawers in there. Okay, a little stool there. Nice size TV. Got 2 European power, 2 USB, and 2 US power. Over here's your mini bar. Mini fridge right there. There's this extended shelf over here. You do have a sofa that converts to be a bed, and a couple chairs and a glass sort of coffee table there.
Nice little seating area.
Yeah, it really is nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
And there's the balcony out here. This is a grand suite. All right, so it's a rather small balcony, if you will, for a suite, but we are all the way up in the front of the ship. I mean, there's the front of the ship right there. I mean, you gotta lean out to see, but doesn't get much further front than this, okay? And then last but not least, well, we still have a couple things. One, the bedroom, as you can see, is a completely separate room. You do have 2 twins that convert to be a king, again, or they could be separated. A couple big nightstands with drawers in there. USB power only on one side. Some reading lights and sconce lights. I love the down light, the padded headboard, all of that stuff. Big desk area here. This would be your makeup mirror if you want to do makeup or do your hair with a little bench. You also have some more storage on either side there. All right, so there's only one more door to see. Would be this, which is your closet and bathroom. So you walk into the closet, got this big wraparound hanging area, lots of shelves, safe, again, tons of room to put your stuff in a nice big mirror. And then the bathroom. This is a nice sized bathroom. Again, I'm going to sit on the sink. I'm going to sit on the sink, everybody.
Sit on that sink.
I'm going to sit on the sink. I'm going to sit on the toilet. As you can see, at my height is 6'4". This is pretty good. Lots of room left and right too. So if you're a little on the fluffy side, this can be comfortable. Under countertop sink, large countertop that goes the whole way to include the mirror, the whole way. Right? Makeup mirror. There's storage underneath, but let's get in this shower and see what it looks like. Oh, there's actually a bench in this one, Lisa.
Really? Oh, look at that. It is a 2-person bench.
It's a 2-person shower.
It is.
I want a 2-person shower. I want a 2-person shower.
And headroom, how is your headroom in there?
Oh, you didn't see that?
No, I missed that part. You were sitting down.
It's pretty good. See?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. So there you go, everybody. There is the grand suite. Let us know what you think about it. Till we will see you on the next one.